blue chicken, red chicken, nah, orange chicken. Better than Panda Express. Stay tuned with Where is my knife? In the first step, we divide the chicken breast into cubes of the same size. Like this. Let's marinate the chickens. We add salt, black pepper and baking soda to the chicken so that it becomes tender and flavorful. Leave it aside, we'll get to it later. Mix the eggs and cold milk in a deep bowl to remove the unpleasant smell of the egg. Leave this aside too. Mix flour, cornstarch and salt in another bowl calmly. Let's prepare the chickens for frying. Mix a little bit of our egg mixture with flour so that the surface of the chickens becomes flaky. Now we toss the chickens in the first bowl and then in the second bowl. This should be done twice, just like me. Finally, it's frying time. This is golden brown. All the taste of this dish is in its secret sauce. Let's make it together. Mix soy sauce, white vinegar, sesame oil, brown sugar, orange zest, and orange juice. Guys, now it's time to pour canola oil into a hot wok and add chopped garlic and ginger. After 10 seconds, add chili flakes and sauce. Let it heat for 2 minutes until it thickens, and then add the chickens to the sauce so that they cook well with the sauce and their flavors mix together. You can serve your dish with sesame, spring onion, or anything you like. This dish has a combination of spiciness, sweetness, saltiness, and attractive taste of orange, which is very strange and delicious. Enjoy your meal.